Welcome to this tutorial series about the magic of regulations and one-touch settings. I'm René Merlijn from the Netherlands, and I'd like to share my knowledge about regulations and one-touch settings. I'm working with the Genus 2, but the whole concept will also work on the Genus 1 and the SX series. There are already many different tutorials about registrations available online. So why another one? I've noticed that many tutorials don't go beyond the basic, which button to press, and don't explain exactly what happens on your keyboard. In this tutorial series, I will try to cover all the different aspects and subjects of this matter. With this series, I want to cover all aspects. I divide this series in 3 parts. In part 1, I will discuss some basic knowledge about registration and OTS. It will help you later on making the right choices, and so everyone has the same level of knowledge. Part 2 is about registrations and wanted setting in the daily use. Part 3 is advanced use. In the next 3 slides, I will give you some more detail. In the first part, I talk you through some basic concepts. You can save keyboard setting in the registration or in the OTS. However, there are significant differences between the two. The parameter lock on the keyboard may preferably change when logging into another registration. I'll show you how this works. Registration bank info, the use of the registration bank edit menu, the registration sequence, the freeze function, and the use of tags. This first part is theoretical and has a fair number of sheets, which I use to explain the story. It's useful to have this knowledge so you know it exists, and it's more easy to apply in a practical way later to make your own choices. Practical stuff. How to organize your registration files. There are different ways, different places. I do some suggestions. There are leading more ways to Rome, so it's not the truth, but maybe I give you some ideas about it. Making a default registrations, making a blank registration, choice in selecting what to save, making a song registration and OTS. Here we will make a practical example. Use of the freeze function. In part 3 it covers two major topics, smooth sound transitions and the registration sequence. Unlike the core PA5X and the Catron event, the Yamaha sometimes experiences very annoying noises when switching from one to another registration or OTS. This can also cause a stutter in the sounds. In many cases, you can prevent this, but it does require careful consideration when creating registrations and OTS settings. In a practical example, we will create a registration where we first encounter this annoying background noise, and then I'll show you how to prevent or resolve it. As aspects apart from also, all the aspects from part 1 and 2 will be mentioned again in a practical case. The registration we will create is quite extensive, and with the registration sequence we can move through it in a very controlled manner, allowing you to thorough test the registration. Thank you for watching this introduction. If you like it, please give a like. If you leave a comment or have a question, leave a comment. And maybe it's nice to subscribe to my non-commercial channel. You will automatically receive a notification when I post new content. Thanks for watching. Bye.